Deep in the forests of Arkansas lies the old Millington Asylum, a place shrouded in darkness and despair. Built in 1929, it housed the most disturbed patients, many of whom suffered unimaginable torment. Before its closure in the 1970s amidst scandal and neglect. Since then, eerie screams, ghostly apparitions, and shadowy figures have been reported by those daring enough to approach. Visitors claim to hear disembodied voices echoing through the empty halls, and to see lights flickering where no power exists. Some believe the spirits of former patients still linger, trapped in the horrors of their past suffering. Would you dare to explore the haunted corridors of Millington, or is some darkness better left undisturbed?